3, 2, 1, lift off.
To the G, Kyle the Ringer is in the belfry, ringing up Ampulisali, a mastermind of campanology. KTR Kyle the Ringer.
What's ringing, guys? It's Callum here. Today I'm in town and I think I can hear a fire alarm going off. It sounds like a fire alarm that's going off. Before I meet up with Dad the Ringo outside the town hall, I'm gonna try see where it's coming from. It's getting louder. Sounds like it's coming from that way. Or it could be coming from up there. Alright, let us listen. It's definitely getting louder. Yeah, it's coming from here. But British Art isn't open anymore. So why is the alarm going off? Unless it could be the forum, because the forum was connected to this. I don't know what I should do. Like if it's going off at the forum as well, then I might have to get in touch with the fire service. I don't know why it's going off. Let's go listen. We can hear it coming from there, but don't know why it's going off. Let's see. Can hear it only coming from there. So yeah, definitely does sound like a fire alarm going off. I do not know what to do, guys. If it shows any phone number here, I'm calling it. Cause I don't know what. I might just see if it's going off here as well. If it's not going off at the farm, then I'm gonna need to try get. But if it is, yeah, I'm going to. If it's still open, I'm going in to tell them if there's still someone there. Yeah, there is, so I'm going to end the vid now and tell them. So until I do the next ring out.
Check it out.
Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please ring subscribe for future content. And until next time.